Alright, a few of you guys were interested on the 3D printing, so I'm going to share with you my experience. This won't be a how-to or tips or tricks because I'm brand new at it. This is my 5th print here in the video. Just kind of giving anybody that wants to maybe get into this hobby an idea of what to expect. So far everything's went pretty well for me. I did have a little bit of an issue leveling the bed, but after I figured that out, I've had successful prints. I've only had the one print that messed up on me, and that was my very first one. In this series, I'll kind of just be doing the videos like what you see here. If you guys got any suggestions what I should add, or maybe some tips for me even, you could share them in the comments. What you'll see me printing with here is the Ender 3 version 2. I ordered this off of eBay. It was an open box deal. Cost me $150 plus tax. And they come warranty and all, but it comes disassembled. So when you get yours, there are a ton of videos and it does come with instructions how to put it together. And the only issue, like I say, I had was the leveling. But once you understand the spacing that you need, it's fairly easy. Every time I print, I level it now, and like I say, I haven't printed anything big yet, but everything has came out pretty good. If there's something else I can add to these videos to make them better for you, let me know in the comments below.